Did you know crows hold grudges against humans? They remember your face, and they tell their friends, "Stick around." It's wild. They recognize faces and track threats for years. They use tools, even make them. They use cars as nutcrackers and solve multi-step puzzles, like tiny feathered engineers. Treat them well, or the whole murder may remember. Have you ever been watched by a crow? Comment below.